All right, what is happening, folks? Welcome into the channel. Once again, my name's Jason. Thanks for joining me. So an unexpected box has arrived at my mailbox. Actually, my wife brought it in. And here it is right here. As you can see, it's from Boston Scally again. And this box, I have no idea what is inside of here because my wife didn't tell me she was ordering anything, and she just walked into the house with this box. So let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? All right, so again, like I mentioned before, I have no idea what this is. My wife didn't tell me. She just walked in the house with the box, and I was like, what is that? And she goes, you just have to open it up and see. So I figured I'd do another box opening of yet another Boston Scally product, and let's find out what's inside together. Very exciting. I was sitting downstairs. I'm going, you know what? I got to go and open this thing up because it was just killing me just to find out what's inside. So let's see, because once again, I have no idea. Uh-oh, I see what's in here, kind of, sort of. Hold on 1 minute. Let me get rid of this stuff. Wait a minute, there's a pin here. Hold on a minute. Wow. So let me pull this off right here first of all. Oh, you know what this is? I think I know what this is already. Anyway, this is a pin. I'll get back to that in a second, but here is what's in here so far. I think I know what this is. There's quite a few things in here. Holy moly. Oh, yep. Wow, look at this. So let me move this box over to the side. This, hold on a minute. Let me see really quickly because I think, oh yeah, it's the Yeti. It's the Yeti one. I had to look at it real quick because I wasn't exactly sure, but it's the Yeti one, the Frostlands. Look at that. How cool is that? My wife never ceases to amaze me with stuff like this. But yeah, it was the Frostlands one. And there's the inside of the cap right there. That cool blue and that color right there. Man, look at that. So this is, let me put this on real quickly while I'm unboxing this stuff so you can all get a better look at it. Hopefully you all can see that. I love that color, that light blue on there. And of course there's the Yeti on the inside of there. So let me do the official putting on of the Scally cap. Oh man, fits perfectly. Again, I wear a small. Man, this is awesome. I had no idea this was coming. She never even told me she ordered it. So let's see what else is in the box. There's a couple of things in here. So again, this is the hoodie. I believe it's a hoodie, yeah, with the guy with the Yeti on the side of it. So let's pop open the hoodie and take a look. Boy, how exciting is this? I'm so excited about this. So here's the hoodie, which came with it. This thing is nice and thick. And there it is right there. It's got the Yeti right there on the side right there. You can see it. And it's a nice blue, like a baby blue color. And again, this should be a medium because that's about what I wear. Let me double check. Yeah, and it's a medium. It's funny, these mediums look big, but that's what it is. It's a medium, so that's awesome. Very, very cool. Excited about that. Exciting stuff happening at my house. And then, oh, let me show you the pin real quick. I'll pop the pin out of the package here so you can see this. You're getting the pin for me. So hopefully the camera should pick that up. There you can see it. So how cool is that? For the cap, put that on there. And then there's one last thing in here, obviously, which is the bag. So let me pop open the bag real quickly. So even a cap and a bag and a hat can bring joy to somebody, which it brings joy to me. I love this stuff. Let me set this off to the side. And of course, there's the bag right there. Look how cool that is. It's got the logo right there. How awesome is that? So I've been married for 30 years, just to throw that out there. My wife and I have been together a really long time, and she never ceases to amaze me with some of the stuff she gets for me because I had no idea. I mentioned in conversation with her, because we look at Boston Scally like once a week. I mentioned to her that I really liked the hat. I never ordered it for some reason, but I told her that I had really liked it, and she went and bought it for me. So there you go. How awesome is that? So just wanted to do a quick box opening on this Friday. I hope you all have a great weekend. And if you got the Peaky Blinders cap, that's certainly, I love all their caps, but that one's probably my all-time favorite cap. It's just fantastic. I've been wearing it out, and a lot of people have been giving me compliments on it, and getting a lot of response from, like I said, people on the outside. It's been great. Absolutely loving it. So anyway, there's the bag one more time. There's the cap. Obviously, there's the pin. Oops, let me turn it the right way so you can see that. Get a little closer. There's the pin, and of course the sweatshirt. So y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, folks.